You have a woof woof wagon?
I just not got that.
It's okay. Hey, have a good attitude. Okay, here we go. Mommy gets a pear. All right, that makes it your turn, Jude. What do you want to call Jude? You want to ask Mommy or Jocelyn?
Jocelyn. I mean, Mommy.
Okay, what are you going to ask me?
Do you have a... I have a match already.
You do?
A Z and a Z.
You didn't realize it? Well, there you go.
And I want to ask you if you have an A.
An apple A? You mean like this one?
Yeah. My turn.
Your turn? Okay, who are you going to ask?
3 more. Mommy.
Okay, what do you want to ask me?
Do you have a T?
Nope. You got to pick a sound on the merry-go-round.
Jocelyn has a lot of matches.
She sure does. Look at all those matches.
2 L's! She just got one!
She got another one, didn't she? You dropped that one by accident, honey. Put this one back in your hand. Okay. Oh, it's Mommy's turn. Okay. Who should I ask?
Me.
You. Or should I ask Jude?
Me, Jocelyn.
Jude's got a poker face on over there. Okay. Jocelyn, do you have a queen?
No. Pick a sand on the merry-go-round.
Oh, okay.
Just waiting for my turn.
Okay. All right,
Okay.
Jude, it's your turn.
Mom, I'm afraid to ask, but do you have a P?
A poodle? You mean like this one?
I want out. See, Mom. Mom.
Okay. Jocelyn, it's your turn.
Jude, do you have a B? No.
What do you say?
Big sound on the merry-go-round.
Flip it over, Joss. Okay. Who do you want to ask? Oh, wait, it's my turn. It's my turn. Who should I ask?
Me.
Oh.
Me.
Okay. I asked you last time, didn't I?
Yeah.
Jude, do you have a tail? You do not have a tail?
No. I do. Pick
Oh,
sound on the
don't tell me.
merry-go-round.
Okay. I got a match. I got a match.
I got T2. 2 and 2. 2 and 2.
Okay, 2 and 2. It's me and you, Jude. All right. Oh, Jude's turn. Go ahead.
I think you did do all my... Sorry to say,
It's okay. It's okay.
Josh, Mama, do you have a V?
Pick a sound on the merry-go-round. Just one sound, silly. Okay, Jocelyn, it's your turn.
Jude, do you have a O? No. Big sound on the merry-go-round. Okay. That's an N.
Hey.
Oh, you. That's a U.
Shh, move your card, sweetheart.
Okay,
my turn. Okay, Jocelyn, do you have a quilt?
No.
No?
Yeah.
You do?
No.
No? Okay.
Your turn, Jude. Mama, do you have a quilt?
Jude had it the whole time? You mean like this one? Okay, Jude. Or no, Jocelyn. Your turn.
Mom, do you have a T?
A T?
Yeah.
You mean like this one?
Yeah. I have a T whole time.
Yay. Okay, that makes it Mommy's turn. Jude Andrew, do you have a noodle?
No.
What? Okay, Jude, your turn.
You have a V, Mama.
Pick a sound on the merry-go-round.
Mm.
Jocelyn, your turn.
Jude. Jude, do you have? You. I just not got that. Yay! I lost one.
Okay. Now it's Mommy's turn. Jude, do you have a ball?
No. Sound.
Shh. Okay. All right, Jude, your turn.
Mom, do you have a V?
You asked me that last time.
F.
Pick a sound on the merry-go-round.
Mm.
Jocelyn, your turn.
A V!
You got it? Yay!
One more.
Okay, Joss.
Jude, do you have a N? No. Big sound on the merry-go-round. I was going to ask Mommy, I think. Big sound on the merry-go-round.
You already asked Jude. Pick a sound. Oh, you got the last card. Okay, Jocelyn, are you ready?
Yeah.
Do you have a N?
Yes.
Thank you.
Mom,
Okay, Jude, it's your turn.
do you have a F?
Nope, pick a sound. Oh, you can't even pick a sound. There's no more sounds. What are we going to do? It's okay. Just stay with your card. Jocelyn, your turn.
Jude, do you have a F?
Oh,
It's not fair.
it doesn't matter. That means you win. Look, your hand. That's your last card. Give it to Jocelyn. Yay, good job, Jude. And I think Jocelyn wins for the most cards. Look how many pairs she has. Good job, Jocelyn Dove. Good job, Jude. All right, Jude, you get to pick from the treasure box.
Yay.